In this short video I will show you how to move rows down. There are a couple of ways to do this, depending on what exactly your needs are. Method number 1 is to click on row number and then click Insert one row above or Insert one row below. While this works fine, it will only add one row below or above where you clicked. In order to insert more rows, you need to use another method. Let's say you want to move rows by 10 rows. What you need to do is select 10 rows from the point where you want to move rows. Then right-click on the cell and select Insert 10 rows above. This will insert 10 rows above first selected row. Using this method you insert rows above, but you cannot insert rows below. To do that you can go to Insert menu and select Rows, and then Insert 10 rows below. Alternatively you just use Insert rows above like previously, but make sure you start your row selection at correct row. So if you want to insert rows below row 12 you need to start your selection with row 13 and then select Insert 10 rows above from the context menu. Last method I will show is actually method you use for moving cells, not just rows, but as you usually don't have hundreds of columns filled with data it can effectively be used for moving rows down. So, select items you want to move down. Then move your mouse pointer to the top of first selected row and start dragging down whole selection. As this is general move cells operation, you can move your rows wherever you want, not just down. That's all for this video. Please like and subscribe for new helpful tips and tutorials.